In this video, we will learn how to use may, might, could, and must plus have. In a previous video, I covered should have and would have. Click in the top right to link to that video. We use may, might, could, and must plus have plus past participle to talk about degrees of certainty in the past. We use must have plus past participle when we are almost certain that something was true in the past. If we are 100% sure something happened, we would use the simple past. He must have cheated because he won every game. I'm almost certain he cheated. She must have forgotten to set her alarm clock. We use mustn't have and couldn't have plus past participle when we are almost certain that something was not true in the past. Brian failed the exam. He couldn't have studied very hard. It couldn't have been a UFO. They aren't real. It mustn't have been Sarah that you saw. She was on holiday. They mustn't have liked my proposal. We use may have, may not have, might not have, and could have plus past participle when we are not sure what happened. It is possible that something happened, but we are just guessing. I can't find my cell phone. I may have left it at work. Kimchi is a Korean dish you may not have tried before. John's late. He might have missed the bus. I might not have passed the exam without your help. I could have slept till noon, but my alarm clock woke me up. Summary. We use must have when we are almost certain that something was true in the past. We use mustn't have or couldn't have when we are almost certain something was not true in the past. We use may have, might have, or could have when we are speculating or guessing about what happened in the past. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.